Have you ever noticed a white coating on your baby's tongue and wondered if you should clean it? Many new parents have the same question. The good news is that cleaning your baby's tongue is simple when done correctly, and it can help keep your baby's mouth fresh and healthy. In today's video, I'll show you the safest and most effective way to clean your baby's tongue, explain when it's necessary, and share the mistakes you should avoid. Let's get started. Why should you clean your baby's tongue? After feeding, especially if your baby drinks breast milk or formula, a thin layer of milk can remain on the tongue. Gently cleaning the tongue can help remove leftover milk, reduce bacteria, and help your baby get used to good oral hygiene from an early age. However, you don't need to clean your baby's tongue after every feeding. Once a day is usually enough unless your healthcare provider recommends otherwise. What you'll need. Before you begin, gather these simple items. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. A clean, soft muslin cloth or sterile gauze. Clean, lukewarm water. Avoid using toothpaste, mouthwash, salt, honey, or herbal products on your baby's tongue. Babies do not need these, and some can even be unsafe. Step-by-step guide. First, find a calm time when your baby is relaxed, such as after a bath or between feeds. Wrap the clean cloth or gauze around your index finger and dampen it with lukewarm water. It should be moist but not dripping wet. Hold your baby securely in your lap or cradle them comfortably. Gently open your baby's mouth. Slowly place your finger on the tongue and wipe from the back toward the front using very gentle pressure. 1 or 2 gentle wipes are enough. There's no need to scrub or force the cloth into the back of the mouth. Doing so may trigger your baby's gag reflex. If your baby becomes upset, stop and try again later. Never force your baby's mouth open. Common mistakes parents should avoid. One common mistake is scrubbing too hard. One common mistake is scrubbing too hard. A baby's mouth is very delicate, so always be gentle. Another mistake is trying to scrape off every bit of white coating. If the white layer is simply milk residue, it will usually come off easily with gentle wiping. Never use your fingernail or any hard object to scrape your baby's tongue. Avoid using honey, even as a natural remedy. Honey should not be given to babies under 12 months because it can cause infant botulism, a serious illness. When is it more than milk? Sometimes a white coating isn't just leftover milk. If the white patches don't wipe away easily, spread to the inside of the cheeks, gums, or roof of the mouth, or your baby seems uncomfortable during feeding, it may be oral thrush. Oral thrush is a common yeast infection in babies and should be evaluated by your pediatrician. It usually requires treatment with an antifungal medicine. How often should you clean your baby's tongue? For most healthy babies, cleaning the tongue once a day is enough. As your baby's first teeth begin to appear, you can start brushing them with a soft baby toothbrush and a tiny smear of fluoride toothpaste, following your dentist's or pediatrician's recommendations. Building healthy oral care habits early can support your child's dental health as they grow. Final thoughts. Keeping your baby's tongue clean doesn't have to be difficult. Wash your hands, use a clean, damp cloth, be gentle, and never force the process. Remember, a little care each day can help keep your baby's mouth healthy and comfortable. If you notice white patches that won't wipe away, feeding difficulties, or any signs of discomfort, don't wait, contact your pediatrician for advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another parent who might need these tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more trusted newborn and baby care advice.